This video is protected by the Fair Use Policy, the Treaty of Peace and Friendship of 1787 and Title 18, 8 U.S.C. 1324.
Ninti El Bey, in capitis diminutio nolo, in red ink, in all lowercase letters, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes, is being chased in her personal conveyance by the strawman corporational company entity policy enforcers.
I'm not pulling over. I don't care what the strawman corporational company policy enforcers say or do. They are following me as if they were stupid. I'm not stopping.
My child, this is Noble Drawali, your prophet from up above. My child, your life is in danger. You chose to evade the policy enforcers, and now you are putting your life in irreversible legal jeopardy. My child, your personal conveyance has fake license plates from the so-called Moorish American National Republic federal government. My child, those license plates from the Moorish American National Republic federal government are fugazi. Pull over right now. I command you. Stop with the foolishness. Pull over. I command you as your prophet.
They see my insignia on my car. I'm not stopping. My life is in danger. Very. Oh Fatula. Oh good. Oh good good.
What, in the doohickey, did she just say?
Bari. Oh Fatula. Oh good. Oh good good. Bari. Oh Fatula. Oh good. Oh good good. Come forward and protect me. Bari. Oh Fatula. Oh good. Oh good good. Come forward and protect me. Come forward and protect me. Come forward and protect me.
Ninti El Bey managed to elude the strawman corporational company policy enforcers and made it back to her geographical location without further incident.
For real, though, this is all on tape. The strawman corporational company entity policy enforcers are out of their minds. I'm not stopping for them. I'm not. All my people, you need to know what is going on. And inform higher-ups, up to and including the Provost Marshal of the Moorish American National Republic federal government. The strawman corporational company entity policy enforcers were using an intimidation tactic. I'm suing the you-know-what out of them. I have evidence of their intimidation tactics.
Minutes later, the strawman corporational company entity policy enforcers came to at least kidnap Ninti El Bey's personal conveyance. She planned to sue the strawman corporational company entity policy enforcers on the next Monday morning.
But first, Chille de Castro came to sell a trifold to Ninti El Bey. Did she buy it?
Good evening, ma'am.
Sorry, sir, I am not a ma'am. I am Ninti El Bey, in capitis diminutio nolo, in all lowercase red letters, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes, at this time, and at all points in time. I am a natural person in full life.
Sorry about that. My name is Chille, and I am a constitutional law scholar. I am working my way through the YouTube Law University, and I am offering my trifold for sale. It gives you a charge, a held in a fact, that you can show to the police when they come to question you.
I self-law am master. I am the living justeese of my Moorish homeland. I do not believe I will need a trifold.
Fair enough. You may be able to get out of a ticket with one of the facts of the trifold. I am always available if you need me.
I think I will be fine. Thanks for stopping by.
The policy enforcers showed up shortly. Are you the owner of a personal conveyance with a fugazi license plate from the Moorish American National Republic federal government?
That question doesn't even deserve an answer.
I guess that's a yes.
You and the entire strawman corporational company entity policy enforcer department are going to pay for the intimidation tactics that you pulled tonight. Mayor B. Lyles, Charlotte PD, Mecklenburg County Sheriff's Department, North Carolina Republic Attorney General, Department of Justice, NATO and United Nations. You're collaborating with the colonizers.
What is your point?
Get off my sovereign Moorish land of Northwest Amexim. Immediately. Immediately.
I will give you a notice where you can pick up your personal conveyance after you register it properly.
The following Monday, Ninti El Bey served notice to the Charlotte PD, to her, the Strawman Corporational Company Entity Policy Enforcer Department of Charlotte, and this is what happened after the trial.
I am standing with the great Ninti El Bey. I think you did really well on your case.
Thank you.
The distinction between a settlement and a judgment is the only place that you could have gone.
And I used the statutes. So for him to keep saying a judgment, he made himself look incompetent. And he really insulted my intelligence. That's why I kept on driving home. It was ludicrous and ridiculous that a seasoned attorney would come in with such baseless reactions. There was no sustenance in his rebuttals whatsoever. Their statute states that a settlement can mean anything not having to do with a settlement or agreement without a court participation. The district attorney made himself look foolish. I articulated the facts and gave him his statute. There was so much irrelevance on the part of the district attorney. How silly can the district attorney look?
The settlement versus judgment doohickey carried on. Doug was only too happy to listen. Looking forward to having your personal conveyance back in your possession.
I have to deal with those kind of people at least once a month. Breaking into houses and squatting, holding up a house sale.
Can't they just make do with a Section 8 housing arrangement if they can't afford to buy their own house or even rent? Will they ever learn?
Stay away from Moorish science. It will ruin your life.